In this video, I'll show you how to use the Send It app on Snapchat to receive anonymous questions. So with the help of Send It on the Snapchat app, you can easily receive anonymous questions from your followers and friends. So let me show you how to do this. So on your phone, you're gonna go to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Send It-Get It Now. So this is the app you're looking for. Go ahead and download it and install it to your phone. Now, once that's downloaded, go ahead and open the app. Now this will ask you your age, so go ahead and fill that in. Now this will ask you if you want to connect to Send It, so go ahead and tap on Continue. Now once that's done, you can go ahead and tap on Send It. And now here, you can go ahead and edit that question, ask me anything, or you can leave it as it is. Now this is a question which you're asking your followers, so go ahead and tap on Share. This will now open up Snapchat and will paste that question on your Snapchat story. So go ahead and take a snap and then post it to your Snapchat story. Now anyone looking at your Snapchat story, they'll be able to tap on that link and ask you any question anonymously. Any questions that get asked on Snapchat will come up here as new messages, and you'll be able to reply by tapping on it and then tapping on Answer. So there you go. That is how to use Send It on Snapchat to receive anonymous questions from your followers or friends. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.